Garage doors face wear and tear, often leading to frustrating issues for Haltom City homeowners. Understanding these problems is key to maintaining functionality and safety. Among the most common issues, broken springs can render your garage door useless, making it heavy and impossible to lift. Pay attention to signs of a broken spring, such as loud bangs or a door that stops halfway. Misaligned or damaged tracks are another frequent problem, leading to jerky movements or grinding noises during operation. Garage door sensors are essential for safety, but they can become misaligned or dirty, causing doors to malfunction unexpectedly. Worn-out rollers can make your garage door shake or produce irritating noises, indicating it's time for a replacement. Broken cables are dangerous and can create a crooked garage door, posing serious safety risks if ignored for too long. If your garage door opener shows signs of trouble, such as unresponsiveness or humming with no movement, it's time to call an expert. A garage door's weather seal protects against environmental factors. Replacing it can drastically improve energy efficiency and cleanliness. To keep your garage door in optimal condition, regular maintenance and professional inspections can save you from costly repairs later on.